Alright.
Oh, God.
When he come up with
No water.
I use some cream people take it and that's your main food.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, it's gonna be pretty quick, pretty simple. I'm going to show you guys my skincare routine. Now I have a pretty basic skincare routine. This is not like the in-depth one. This is just like my everyday one. My night and my day are kind of the same, honestly. I try not to switch it up too much, but I'm gonna show you guys like lots of steps I do have a few minutes of things. I'm gonna show you guys like the steps that I add into it. First things first, whether morning or night, I go in with wipes first. I just wipe off the surface of my face first, just to get whatever was on my face the night previously before, or you know, if you have like excess oils from your skincare routine left back over the night before or anything like that. These are specific wipes for like sensitive skin, and they're not harsh. They have pretty what do you call them, like subtle ingredients inside there, and it has a really nice smell. Okay, so done with the wipes here. Next step, pore cleanser. So I use this pore cleanser. It has witch hazel inside of it. Witch hazel is really good for your skin. I also do want a witch hazel toner. Toner is also really good for your skin, specifically if you have like a oily skin or so. Toner is really good for it. Helps to minimize the pores, you know, stuff like that. So I'm gonna use this pore cleanser, and what the pore cleanser does basically is just whatever is left back inside of your pores that the wipes didn't get, this is what it does basically. So it can basically be from like makeup or any excess skincare or anything like that. And I just use a cotton pad and I lather it on my face. So I've realized using the pore cleanser, it kind of, how do you say, it's like a double cleanse basically. It cleans out the pores first, and then you can really get to use your cleanser. Your cleanser can really work on your face and actually help and clear up your skin and stuff like that. Okay, that's out the way. After that, wash your face, because it's obviously just like a cleanser. Okay, so just washed my face a while ago. There we go. This is it after the pore cleanser. Time for my actual cleanser. This is my regular day-to-day cleanser every day. This cleanser is specifically for sensitive skin, so this is my day-to-day cleanser. I use it after using makeup, skincare products, after a long day, whatever, day and night. This is when I use this cleanser. I try to keep my morning and my night routine kind of the same. It's not really too much different. The only thing is I'll probably just use a little less things to moisturize in the night, because I come to bed, so I don't really want too much of that on my face. But cleanser is the next step. So first thing, damp the face. All right, damp just like so. I'm going to take some of my cleanser, not too much. They'll recommend like a dime size. I put a little bit more than that, like 2 pumps I'd say. Then I'm just going to take a little bit of water in my hand and just drip it onto it. I figured out recently, I was watching a video that said that you're using your cleansers wrong. That's why it's not foaming properly in your hands. And I was one of those persons. You're supposed to, after you put the cleanser in your hand, you put a little water on it, and then it will start to foam and activate the product, which I did not know, and I was doing wrong all along. I never used to put any water on it, but I just damp my face and when I just rub it on it, and it would have never really foam how much it was supposed to foam. But see, this is how your cleanser is supposed to foam, and you start to activate it up in your hands first, and then you proceed to put it on your face. Okay, so there we go, cleansed and everything. Now in my normal routines, like day-to-day ones, I don't add like dermaplaning, because I do dermaplaning, which is basically just, you know, lightly shaving off the little hairs on your face. It helps to give your face a more smoother canvas, really, and also helps to exfoliate and reduce hyperpigmentation and stuff like that. So I do that, but I do it like once per month, so it's not a part of my daily skincare routine, and I've already done it, so I don't need to do it again right now. A little mask. That's the next step after cleansing. I try not to use too much harsh cleansers on my face as I have sensitive skin and eczema, so I have to use cleansers that work best for my skin. After that, I would do a little mask, whether it's a full face mask or eye masks. Recently, because I've been like when I wake up, I have realized recently that my under eyes, you probably can't see as much right now because I already cleansed my face, but my under eyes get very puffy when I wake up. It's weird. I don't know what it is, but it's been like a recent development for a couple months now. Like every time I wake up, my under eyes, they're very puffy. So eye mask. This is specifically a vitamin C eye mask, which is supposed to be good for your skin. Vitamin C is very good for your skin. Helps to brighten the skin, which is one of its main properties. It helps to brighten the skin, so it will help to brighten my under eye. I don't really have dark under eyes, but sometimes depending on how my sleep goes, my under eyes can get a little bit dark. So with this mask, it's supposed to stay on for about 15 to 20 minutes. So I'm going to leave it on, pick my outfit for the day, and then I'll come back. Okay, so it's been a few minutes. I would say maybe about 15 minutes now. I'm gonna take these off. And this is about my second time using these, and I see a really big difference, honestly. After that, you just rub the serum into the eye. See? And it helps to just bring like this brightness to your under eye, that if you would have to like use concealer, you know, if you're like, you know, you wear makeup and stuff like that, that your concealer would bring that brightness to your under eyes. That's what these do. So now that all of the washing and cleansing is finished, it's time for the moisturizing portion. First things first is my moisturizing cream for sensitive skin. It's from Cetaphil. My cleanser is also from Cetaphil. I realized that Cetaphil really helps my skin personally compared to some other skincare brands. I haven't really widened my skincare brand outlook as yet, but Cetaphil right now works. So after that, I just do like a light little layer like so, because we're gonna add other stuff to it. Second layer is this Eucerin, not Eucerin, Eucerin. I'm gonna say Eucerin. If you pronounce wrong, correct me please, but this is the bottle. Basically, it is a skin calming lotion, so I use it for all over my body, but I also use it on my face too, because sometimes my face gets irritated. For what reason, I don't know, but sometimes it gets irritated, so I do use it as well, especially on days when I know it's like extra dry, like today. Second layer on. Now you're probably thinking, yeah, that's enough, your face looks pretty moisturized. No, it's just one last thing that I use, which is this CeraVe healing ointment. It protects and soothes dry, cracked, chafed skin. So you can use this on your lips, your face, your hands, whatever has like is extra dry, you can use this product on it. I have used it for a little while and I've seen it really help to keep the moisture in my skin, lock that moisture in. When I use just regular moisturizers and creams, they don't stay on my face for a long time, and eventually my skin starts to dry out during the day. It's summer, my skin is going to start to, you know, react a little differently now, worse with the sun. I sometimes get little bumps or little patches on my face and stuff like that from sun and the weather going in and out sometimes, so I have to make sure that my face is always moisturized. So it's kind of like a jelly-like substance, if I should say. Let me just see. It's kind of like a a jelly like substance. Yeah, and this is what I really use to lock in all of the moisturizers and everything that I just use on my face. Literally, I may look like a greasy fried chicken right now, but let me tell you, it helps and it works. Over time, the product will start to seep into my skin and it will start to even out how my skin is supposed to look. So I may look greasy now, but give it like another 5 minutes, my face will be perfectly fine. And that's it. Last but not least, I just put a little chapstick on my lips. So that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. That is my skincare routine. It's not really in depth, but this is what I do for my everyday skincare routine, day and night. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video, and I will see you guys in another video. Bye.